Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, I hope all of you are doing well. As you already know that we have started chapter 6, that is fraction, and we have completed till number 3, that is exercise 6.1. we have completed till problem number 3. Today we are gonna start problem number 4. So my dear students, please take out your book, open page number 98. You will find this problem on that page, that is convert the following unlike fractions into like fractions. My dear students, the question is very simple. So if you understand the question and if you know the concept of like and unlike fraction, and I hope all of you know that, then you will be able to convert, or you will be able to solve this kind of sum. And they are just asking us to convert these couple of fractions into, yani they convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. So my dear students, let us take the first one. 15 by 9, 7 by 8, 3 by 7, 7 by 6. So you can see that all of the fractions have different denominators. That means they are unlike. If the denominators will be same, or if the denominators are same, then that kind of fractions qualify for like fractions. But here you can see that all the denominators are different to each other. That means these fractions are unlike, and that is why they are asking us to convert these fractions into like fraction, that is to make these denominators equal, same to each other. How are we going to do that? Very simple, my dear students. Just you take these denominators and find out the LCM, and you already know how to find out the LCM. So we will find out the LCM of these denominators first. So we can divide, and when you are finding out the LCM, always remember that you have to use a prime number. Some students, they use even numbers like 8 and 4. Wrong. You can't use numbers which aren't prime. Okay, so this is a very important, this is a very important rule to be noted, that when you find the LCM of numbers, always use prime numbers. Okay, so we are using 3 is a prime number, so 3 is a 9, and the numbers which don't come in the table of 3 will be copied as it is. 3 2 is 6. Then again we will take 2 is a prime number, 3 does not come in the table of 2, so 3 will be copied as it is. 3 2 4 is 8, 7 will be copied as it is, because 7 does not come in the table of 2, and this will be continued unless and until we get ones in the last step, that is we are able to divide each number completely, that is within this bracket, or within this, yes. So again we will take 3 1s are 3, 4 will be copied as it is, 1 will be copied as it is. Again we will take 2, 7 will be copied, again we will take 2, then again we will take 7. So finding out the LCM is very important, and in this video I am going to teach you a very simple method. Okay, although this sum is a painstaking and a little bit of lengthy sum, in which you have to multiply, find out the LCM, you have to do lots of mathematical calculations over here. But if you follow the trick which I am going to explain you in this video, the sums will become pieces of cakes for you, my dear students. So look over here. Okay, so let us find out the LCM first. So the LCM is 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are is 36. Yes, 36 2s are, if you don't know, multiplied, that's 72, and 72 7s are 72 7s are, till here we reach 2. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 are 72, and 72 7s are, that is 504. So the LCM of these denominators is 504. That means our main motive is to make these denominators 504. So what we will do, we will just write 504 in the denominators. Follow this trick, my dear students. The easiest method I am teaching you. Okay, 504. Just make it 504 directly. Sorry for this. Okay, so we will write the fractions and we will give the put the bars of the fractions. 4 fractions we have to put the bars. Now you just copy the fractions and leave a little bit of space over here with a multiplication sign, as you can see I am doing for you. 7, 6, multiply. So you can see these spaces are to be filled with something. And what is that? I said you just now that the denominator has to be 504, all of the denominators. So you will multiply 9 with something. You have to multiply 9 with something to bring 504. That is your target. That is, the denominator has to be 504. You have to multiply 8 by something to bring 504. You have to multiply 7 by something to bring 504. You have to multiply 6 with something to get 504. That is to reach the target. So my dear students, there are different ways of doing that, but we have already worked hard over here. We have calculated the LCM, so why not to take the help from here? Very simple. Yes, so look at here, look at and focus. The rule which I am going to teach you is very simple and very interesting and very entertaining as well. Okay, so look over here. What is this? Just focus in the denominator. What is this? 9. Come over here. Okay, so how can you get 9? 3 threes are 9. So you just cut. You are getting 3 threes are 9. Which numbers are involved in 9? 3 threes are. So you cut 3 threes are. What is left? 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 sevens are is 56. Yes. So you just write 56 over here. So what I have done, I have just figured out 9 in the list and I have crossed them out, I have striked them out, and the remaining numbers are multiplied and written over here, 56. Now this same 56 will be written in the numerator as well. Understood? Now do for the second one, 8. So how can you get in 8 in the list over here? Now forget about this. Okay, so better you use a pencil. Forget about this. When you go to next step, remove that cross sign. Okay, now let us figure out 8 in the list. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Yes, 3 2s will give you 8. So cross these 2s. 2 2 crossed. Now what is left? 3 is left. 3 is left. 3 3s are 9. 9 7s are is 63. Yes, 63 will be written over here and 63 will be written over here. Okay, now again when you go to the third step, you rub it out. Okay, so better you use a pencil. Okay, 7. How are you going to get 7 in the list? Yes, 7 is only there. 7. So this will be striked off. What is left? 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 2s are is 36. 36 2s are is 72. Yes, you are correct. 72 will be written in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, 6. Now strike off that. Okay, when you are moving to the next step, just rub it out. Okay, the previous step, rub the striked off numbers in the previous step sorry. 6. How are you going to get 6? Yes, very simple. 3 2s are 6. So you just strike off these two numbers and what is left? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and 12 7s are, you already know, that is 100 and 12 7s are, yes na? Yes, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 7s are is 84. Yes, 84. So 84 will be written in the numerator and the denominator. Now a question comes to our head, sir, why are you multiplying these numbers? My dear students, I said you at the beginning that our main target, our main motive is to make these denominators 504. So if you multiply 56 by 9, 9 6 are 54, 5, 50, you are getting 504. If you multiply 63 by 8, 8 3 are 24, 2, 8 6 are 48, you are getting 504. So you do same for these denominators, you will get 504. Okay, that is our main motive. So in the next step, what are you going to do? You will just write 504, 504, no need to multiply, 504, just take for once, 504, 504, done. So the denominator is done. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply these numerators. You have to multiply these numerators and you have to write the result in these places, and this will be the final answer. You can see that denominators are same and the numerators will be different. So like fractions. Hope you understood.